Hello, my friends. I am here today, June 2nd, 2026. I want to share with you some interesting items that have been added into the last chance product category. So I'm just going to go over to that website because I know you're seeing it. Okay. So, oh my gosh, sorry about that. All right, we're going to shop. And we're going to go down to shop by category. And then we're going to look for, I think it's deals now. No, deals is not here. Oh my gosh, I just looked and it said deals. Deals is up here. Okay, we're going to look at the last chance category. Up here, you'll see deals. And then you've got your product of the month, which I will talk to you about in a minute. And then bundled savings. That's all of your stamp sets and die cuts. And then here, last chance product. Okay, so there's just a couple things like you can scroll through here at your own leisure. There's just been a lot of new things added just today. Keep in mind that these are while supplies last, and once they're gone, they're gone. That's what last chance is sort of talking about. One of the things that I wanted to point out to you is that, well, one is that they have some of the kits available. So here's the virtual album retreat. So that's going out the window once this promotion ends here. Okay, you've got the 2026 virtual card making retreat, and this one's been discounted. So you're saving, let's see, $23. That's pretty good savings. So this is kind of cool here. You can get these packs of cardstock. Now, they don't do this for every single collection, but they do it for enough of the collections that it's worth paying attention to. So this is the cardstock that coordinates with the Made with Sweetness suite or collection. And the thing I like about these is that you don't want like a whole package of each color. You get two of each color in this. And so I think this is a really good way to go if you don't want to buy a whole bunch of cardstock. And you don't have to have the Made with Sweetness collection to buy the cardstock. So I saw a couple in here. I don't want to make you dizzy here, but there's another one, Love Story. Okay, so this one has 2 each of 6 colors as well. And these, because it's from the Valentine collection, are all in the pinks and reds along with white. Okay, there's quite a bit of paper, designer series paper in here. There's a few scrapbooking kits. Some are discounted, some are not. So the Love Story kit is discounted a little bit. These mix and match ephemera packs. This is a really good deal. All right, if you're a scrapbooker, all right, this is an amazing deal because they were regular $11.75 and now they're $7.05. Okay, and you get a set. There are 6 total sheets, 3 different sheets, 2 of each. All right, you can see those here. Okay, now if you want to, you can use them on cards, but the size of them, all right, these are 5x7 sheets. They are perfect for putting on your scrapbooks and, or sorry, your scrapbook layouts. And I'm going to add that to my cart right now because I love those. All right, and the words are good. Like some of the ephemera packs are definitely designed for cards because of what they say. All right, and I just wanted to point out that the lovely Blossoms paper with the sticker sheet is in the last chance now. This is the collection of paper, designer series paper that went with the Easter collection. That one's in here now, and it's been discounted quite a bit. The gold ephemera, that's been discounted, and the Easter ephemera, like even if you wanted to get that and put it away for next year, it still works, right? And then the Currently Loving stuff. I noticed a few different things in here from that collection. Okay, this is the scrapbooking workshop. And if you didn't get this stamp set for scrapbooking, it's really worthwhile. It's definitely worth your while to get it, because I have used this a lot. Even if you don't want to use the currently part. Okay, I love this font. Okay, it's a great size for scrapbooking. And you can see in the picture of the layout here roughly what the size is. So it's just a really great set to have as a general type of set, right? That you just keep on hand for those times when you can't think of something else that you want to use. Okay, let's see what else there is. I'm going to go to the last page. All right, so these are all the lower inventory things. All right, so if you liked the Woolly Friends, all right, the punch is available still, but not for long. And then the stamp set also is available with the punch. You can get them either way. Okay, there's some kits in here, card kits that are on last chance now. And then here are the 2024-26 in color stamp pads. All right, so just be aware that these are now in the last chance. When they're gone, that's it. They ain't no more. Okay, this is a very nice collection, the Flowers in Bloom suite. Okay, and here is some Dear Dots. All right, this is from one of the Christmas collections from last year. But the thing that I love about these is their price. The price point is so good. And this modern Christmas paper is also really, really good. Got some ribbon here that's been discounted. And then here are all of the papers from the last catalog, the catalog last year. All right, and these are last chance as well. And look at these prices. So that's half price. That's pretty cool. All right, so I think that is all I wanted to point out to you. Just make sure that you check it out soon, because as I said before, these are all last chance. Oh, here's another Currently Loving. This is the cardstock pack. And then, so anything, so you can see these are already gone. Oh, the Currently Loving is already gone too. All right, so now the other thing I wanted to show you, can I go back this way? I guess not. Sorry. Okay, what's happening? No, deals, product of the month. We have a brand new product of the month starting today. This doesn't say you can't get previous ones, but they are all only while supplies last. Okay, so I have a feeling that this one's going to go pretty quick because it's adorable. It is just adorable. Okay, so here is a bit of artwork that's been created with this stamp set. They're just so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am very excited to be ordering this today. I think it's going to be fun. Okay, and then if you look closer here, you can see the previous month's products of the month that are still available. So May's, the Berry Botanical Vellum Paper, which is amazing. All right, I got to tell you, it's beautiful. It's heavy vellum, and the colors are just stunning. Okay, enough of that. And then the Eyelet Blooms from April, and that's all that's available at the moment. Everything else has sold out. Okay, and then one thing of note here is that this stamp set is also available in French. Okie dokie. I think that is all I wanted to show you. Go back to this. Alrighty, and there are a couple of new kits that were released today, and I'll leave you to have a look at those. There's a new class, craft class, that has been uploaded, the Scenic Coast class, which is going to be a lot of fun. I think that's everything I needed to say. So I am going to sign off for today. These are the two kits that are available. You can have a look at those, and we'll be talking to you very, very soon.